Stop. Are you really safe online? Think your personal info is protected? Think again. Welcome to BoldNet. Today, we're diving deep into how you can protect your online identity from the ever-growing dangers lurking on the internet. Let's get started. 1. Strong passwords. Your password is your first line of defense. But guess what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 isn't going to cut it. Creating a strong password is crucial. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. And always use unique passwords for each of your accounts. A password manager can help keep track of them all. 2. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Think one password is enough? Think again. Two-factor authentication is your secret weapon. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security. Even if someone gets your password, they still need a second code sent to your phone or email to access your account. It's a game changer for keeping your account secure. 3. Phishing scams. Ever received an email from your bank asking for personal info? It's probably a scam. Phishing scams trick you into revealing personal information. Be wary of unexpected emails or messages asking for sensitive info. Always verify the sender's address and never click on suspicious links. When in doubt, contact the company directly. 4. Secure your devices. Think your phone or computer is safe. Only if you lock it down. Ensure your devices are protected with up-to-date antivirus software and enable firewalls. Keep your operating system and apps updated to protect against the latest threats. And always lock your devices with a strong password or biometric authentication. 5. Social media privacy. Sharing everything online? You might be giving away too much. Be cautious about what you share on social media. Review your privacy settings and limit the personal information visible to the public. Avoid sharing sensitive details like your address or phone number. Remember, once something's online, it's hard to take back. 6. Monitoring your online presence. Think you're invisible online? Think again. Stay vigilant. Regularly monitor your online presence. Search for your name to see what information is publicly available. Set up alerts for any unusual activity on your accounts. If you spot something suspicious, act quickly to address it. Ready to safeguard your online identity? Start with these tips now. Protecting your online identity is an ongoing process. Stay informed, stay cautious, and stay secure. Thanks for watching BoldNet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more essential tech tips and updates.